So welcome back. I'm Chef Elmer. So today, gagawa tayo ng blueberry cheesecake. Ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin, we need green ham, melted butter, and sugar. For the filling, we need cream cheese, sugar, flour, egg, lemon zest, and vanilla. For the toppings, kailangan natin ng blueberry in heavy cream. So, let's start. So before we start mixing, we need to line a spring-form pan and preheat our oven sa 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So for the crust, just mix in the sugar sa green ham. Then, mix in the melted butter. So you need to incorporate the butter sa green ham mixture. So magiging itsura niya is parang wet sand. So itsura niya parang wet sand. Okay? So after this, you need to transfer this sa spring form pan. Then flatten it. Okay? So distribute it around the bottom of the pan. Then get a clean glass. Okay? So didiinan nyo lang para maging firm yung ilalim. Okay? So papantayin nyo lang. So after this, kailangan nyong ilagay ito sa refrigerator ng 30 minutes. So habang pinapatigas natin ang crust sa refrigerator, gawin na natin ang filling. Okay? So yung sugar, i-mix in nyo lang doon yung lemon zest. Then we need to cream the cream cheese. Okay? You could use a whisk or hand mixer. So while creaming, gradually add the sugar. Then add the egg. So pag mag-a-add kayo ng egg, paisa-isa lang. So once incorporated na, saka ulit kayo magdagdag ng isa. So you need to scrape the sides para matanggal yung buo-buo. Then add in the vanilla and flour. And scrape nyo ulit yung sides. And now, ready na ang filling natin. So, transfer na natin to sa crust. So, once matigas na yung crust, transfer nyo na yung filling sa pan. Then, ready for baking na ang cheesecake natin. So, you need to bake this sa oven na 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, after 15 minutes, you need to lower the heat sa 250 Fahrenheit. Then, continue baking ng 60 minutes or 1 hour. So after 1 hour of baking, luto na ang cheesecake natin. So we need to cool this before putting the topping. So after nyo mapalamig overnight ang cheesecake sa refrigerator, pwede nyo na ilagay ang toppings. So we're done with our cheesecake. Thank you and enjoy!